Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Reet. In today's video, I will show you guys how to do dermaplaning and eyebrows at home. Since in this pandemic, we're so afraid to go out to salon or beauty parlors. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So first, I'm going to start up with my toner, and for that I'm going to use the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Mattifying Toner. I'm going to take it on my cotton pad and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. So this is going to shrink in my pores and also rejuvenate my skin, and also take any dead skin cells that are on the surface. I'm gonna go all over my forehead, my cheeks. I'm not gonna go around my eyes because that's sensitive skin area. But I'm gonna gently just rub it all over my face. This takes off the dirt on surface of your skin. So as you can see on my cotton swab, it's very dirty. For dermaplaning, I'm going to use my facial razor. This one I got it from Shoppers Drug Mart. It was, I believe, $29 for 4. I have not applied any moisturizer or serum on my face. I just toned my face, and now I'm going to move on to my dermaplaning. So the basic idea when you're dermaplaning is that you have to stretch your skin and then remove the dry skin and dead skin cells, and also your peach fuzz, that would be your facial hair. So first I'm going to start with my cheeks, and for that I'm going to stretch my face with my hands and make sure that my skin is not loose, it's tight enough so that I can remove the hair and peach fuzz. So now I'm gonna just move to the opposite direction of my hair growth. So my hair grows in this direction, So I'm gonna just So as you can see over here on my razor, I have these little hair kind of particles. So this is the peach fuzz and dead skin cells. So we're going to continue doing this for the rest of our face as well. And now I'm going to move on to the lower section of my cheek. And for that, I'm going to turn my razor upside down. And now I'm gonna go on my neck, and for that I'm gonna move my razor from downwards to upwards, making sure I stretched my skin. Now I'm gonna move on to my forehead. For forehead, you don't have to stretch your forehead that much because it is already very tight. So for that, I'm just gonna hold it, and I'm gonna start from my hairline, just bring it downwards, and I'm gonna stop right 1 centimeter-ish above my eyebrow. So for the whole of it, I'm gonna do the same thing. Just make sure that you're going in very small strokes and not pushing it too hard on your skin. So in very small strokes, just gently scratching it off. This part could be very tricky because it is just a little part here. So make sure you're just keeping it far away from your eyebrow. And then on this side as well. For my upper lip, I'm gonna take a smaller blade. This blade is for the smaller parts of your face, for example, the middle of your eyebrow, under your eyebrow, or your upper lips. So for my upper lips, I know that my growth goes downwards, so I'm gonna start shaving in upward motion. For that, I'm gonna hold my lips together like this, and then I'm gonna start shaving. And then I'm gonna stretch around my mouth and just move in this direction. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. These razors can be used as an eyebrow shaping tool as well. So for that, I'm gonna use just the same smaller razor, and first I'm gonna start shaving this section of my eyebrows. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stretch out my eyebrow, and then I'm gonna just shave in the middle part, and then I'm gonna stretch my eyebrow from this side and shave moving to the left side. So now I'm gonna move under my eyebrows. So first I'm gonna make a rough line just to make sure that I know where I need to shave my eyebrows from. Just gonna take my eyebrow gel and just make like a rough pattern. For my lower part of my eyebrow, from the front section, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull my eyebrow up, and for my shaving, I'm gonna move it in a downward motion. So I'm just gonna give it a gentle stroke. I'm gonna make sure I make it a straight line and make it very even on the lower section. For the upper portion of my eyebrow, I'm gonna take my eyeliner and I'm just gonna make a rough line to where I want to start or finish my shaving. It's basically shaping your eyebrow just in whatever shape you desire it to be, so that you know, so that it gives you kind of a stencil for you to shape your eyebrows. And now I'm gonna take my razor, I'm gonna pull my eyebrow downwards. I'm just gonna start shaving. I'm making sure that I stop right on the line which I drew. So now I'm gonna make sure that all the hair are removed properly from this part. So just pulling it downwards and just gently stroking it. And for the end of my eyebrow, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna wipe the eyeliner down so that you can see the difference between two eyebrows. Now you can see the difference between this eyebrow and this eyebrow. This is more hairy and uneven, whereas this is very nice and smooth. You can also use the tweezers to pull out the excess hair underneath. I'd like to keep it like that, but I'm gonna move on to my next eyebrow now. So after when I'm done with my dermaplaning, I'm gonna use the same toner and tone my face once again. And after that, I'm gonna apply rose hip oil from The Ordinary all over my face. It's gonna make my skin look healthier and just prevent from any breakouts. Just gonna gently massage it into my face. Thank you so much guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was helpful for all of you. If you like the video, do not forget to hit like button and also share the video as much as you can. If you have any suggestions, please put them down in the comment box below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do. And I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys!